Rich in nutrients. Cauliflower is a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. It is also low in calories and fat, making it an excellent addition to a healthy diet. May reduce the risk of cancer. Cauliflower contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds, known as glucosinolates, may help to prevent the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, lung, and colon cancer. Supports heart health. Cauliflower contains compounds that may help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Promotes healthy digestion. Cauliflower is a rich source of dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining healthy digestion. Supports brain health. Cauliflower contains choline,